Alright, good morning, you boys. We took one win, one loss. We took a win on the eval and a loss on the express, unfortunately. But, so we swept these lows over here, and then we changed state and inversed these all in one candle. I waited for market to kind of die down. I then entered. This would have been a final take profit, but I just didn't think we were going to get there. So I got out on this like doji candle. I waited for it to sweep this high. So this high was going to be my final take profit because this candle closed and this one opened low and then it hit my high. Took me out. We then, sorry, every time I post on TikTok I have to take a screenshot. We then, where's this at? We made an S&T at the highs, you can see right here. This high right here, and this high, we took it out right here. ES did not. And so that's what led me to take this short. I waited till it inversed this 1 minute, inversed this 1 minute. Got a terrible fill. Terrible. I only risked $40. I didn't want to risk any more than that, and that's what, or $33, and that's what ultimately stopped me out, because if I risked like up to here to let this fair value gap play out, would have banged, and then market dumped off. I am paper trading this on my live account if we go on the 5 minute. I think I'm getting break even right about now, but yeah, I'll probably get break even. I took some partials though, but I took this 5 minute inverse, and yeah, that's gonna stop me out right about here. But yeah, still ended up green on the day. It's just we've only got $190 to work with on this account, and I'm debating about trading 2 contracts and risking about like $100, so then I can build that buffer instead of making $30-40 and kind of keep myself in a hole. So let me know what you guys think about that. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. I think today I'm gonna try to do some editing for a week in the life. I'm gonna try to get that to you guys either Saturday or Sunday. I have a pretty busy weekend, so I'm gonna for sure try to get that video to you guys. It just depends on, I'm not the greatest editor, so it takes me some time. But with that being said, I'll see you boys on Monday or Saturday or Sunday, whenever that video comes out. If you guys want to do a back testing stream, let me know. I'm totally open to do that. I always have like I love streaming and shit like that. I used to love it. I'm into the video game shit, so I definitely can stream for you guys. Just let me know. But yeah, I'll see you boys later.